Welcome to Resi-licious recipes. On this channel, it's all about baking and creating. Today, I'm taking you to matcha heaven. We're making a simple matcha pound cake to go with your 3 p.m. cup of tea or coffee, or with your morning little breakfast treat. So let's do this. The recipe uses 500 grams of pastry flour, 30 grams of matcha powder. Please ensure this is culinary grade. It's important, not just anything cheaply made. It has to be the best quality you can find. 18 grams of baking powder, 5 whole eggs. We use 520 grams of sugar, 250 grams of grape seed oil. If you cannot find it, you can also use canola oil. Then we have 225 grams of sour cream and 400 grams of whole fresh milk. The grassy smell of this is just incredible. Then also sieve your baking powder. Our next step is to pour in the oil, the sugar, and your eggs, and then whisk until really foamy and fluffy. Once it's nice and foamy, we add our milk and the sour cream. I'm doing this in 2 stages simply for filming. Obviously you put it all in there together and then lower your speed and whisk. Last, add in your sifted flours and mix. All ingredients have been combined and look at this rich green color. I love it. So this dough needs to rest a little bit in the fridge, a minimum of 4 hours. Ideally overnight. I'm doing it overnight because it needs to absorb everything and yes, improve basically overnight. So in she goes to the fridge. See you in the morning. Good morning, lovely bakers. It's a fresh day. My beautiful green goddess has rested in the fridge for the night and it's time to bake. We pour our dough into the prepped cake tins. I've greased these, I've lined these with parchment paper, and as you can see, the dough is enough to make 2 of these, probably even more. So if you only want 1 cake, half this recipe, preheat your oven to 180 degrees, and then we bake our beautiful matcha cakes for approximately 75 minutes, depending on your settings. And in the oven they go. Once the baking time is up, check your cakes. Should come out clean. Yes, these are fine. And once your cake is ready, switch off the oven, keep the cake in the oven. We then pour over a mixture of 140 grams of powdered sugar and 30 grams of lemon juice. I thought the lemon, the zesty lemon, pairs so well with the grassy flavor of the matcha. So we pour that over the cake, keep it in the oven for like approximately 8 minutes to let it set, and then we take it out. So 30 grams of the lemon juice. And then whisk until very smooth and pour over your cake. Also, what I like purely for visual effect is to crush some freeze-dried raspberries and sprinkle them over the cake. And yeah, this is just so it looks nice. You could also use a bit of the lemon zest that you kept aside. It's just to add the bright touch to our matcha cake. So drizzle your lemon on top. Followed by the crushed raspberries. I'm also using a bit of lemon zest because I love lemon and I think this goes so well, and I love the colors. 8 minutes have passed. My cakes are set, I would say. Now we simply let them cool off and then demold them and do a taste test. My pound cake is ready. I'm pretty pleased with the end result. The only thing that I'm a little bit disappointed about is when we put the dough into the oven, it was so beautiful, lush and green. And in baking, the color has gone a little bit. But I didn't really want to put food coloring in here. I wanted to stick to the true matcha. So this is the real thing. Still nice, and let's try this baby. So time to try it. I nibbled on it already and it's very good, but I'll nibble again. It's not overly sweet. It is quite a simple cake. It's a normal pound cake, but I like the grassiness of the matcha. Also, the texture of the oil makes it really fluffy and light. I prefer baking with butter though. Taste-wise, I think it's nicer for me. But also, yes, the lemon, sorry, I forgot. The lemon on top is very nice. I quite like this combo. So definitely recommend you making this cake, another one. If you like anything to do with matcha, there will be more coming up. So check out my playlists for all my cakes, and definitely more matcha recipes coming down the cake pipeline. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. It really helps me to grow my channel. And I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.